Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, it is day 3 of Vlogmas. We're up, we're ready. I won't be going to school today necessarily, but I have classes. But they're gonna get some activities for today. Today I'm gonna try and get some cleaning done. So this weekend is gonna be a very busy weekend because it's my sister's birthday on Sunday and we gotta make sure she have a good time. So it's gonna be a busy weekend. So right now we're gonna actually clean. So my sister is actually waiting at me and I need to get this because I'm gonna set you guys up so you guys can watch us clean. So today will be a cleaning vlog, kind of a fun vlog, I'm hoping. So we're gonna get the fry pot, set it up, and we're gonna start vlogging. So yes guys, I showed you guys, I'm gonna turn it around. My sister did the haul which I showed in the vlog yesterday, so if you guys want to see that, you know, you can go and see that, or when I'm doing the house tour you guys will see that. So that haul is done, but this the dining room and this haul, this will be done like today. So that's what we're gonna start right now. So yes, we're gonna clean, guys. We're gonna clean, and we got sister coming in. two days to her birthday.
I'm gonna start to the gift them rolling yet. I need the gift them yet, right?
What gift are you talking about? Nobody not rolling need no gift them.
I'm taking gifts. Oh yeah, man.
Nobody not giving you nothing.
Taking gift all month long. Okay.
I'm not getting nothing done. Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're going to start cleaning right now. So yes, I'm gonna set you guys up and then start cleaning.
Where are you, Christmas?
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Yes, see those.
So I finished the windows. The windows are now done. Sister is like organizing this table thing here, and then what am I gonna do next time?
Yeah, I'll clean off.
Okay, so I'll clean off something over there, so, and then I don't know what else yet. We'll soon decide.
I want to get so much bikini in here.
Hi, Dad. Say hi, Dad. Come here, zoom in by you. Hi, Dad. Eddie. Dad. I'm very busy. Hi, Dad. Just zooming on the phone. Beautiful.
What's this long thing over my food?
It's called a tripod. Alright guys, so it is currently 10:15. Hey, time I running on? It's now 10:50 guys, and I've been cleaning. I'm dusting and so on. Guys, the worst part for me in cleaning is spiders, and I just buck up a spider. Mommy sprayed, I don't know it gone. I'm just afraid to go back in that area. Like it was on that one of those things over there, and mommy sprayed, but now it gone. I'm afraid. Yeah. Alright, so guys, I am gonna rearrange some stuff. I'm trying to not make a lot of noise because my teacher is my sister is teaching and she's getting assessed today, so I'm trying to be quiet as a mouse. So I see it, guys. I can't find the spray, people. I see the spider. I'm afraid. Mommy, where you put the spray? Hey, not palm something. Let me just clean a while ago. I'm gonna come with dying trials. Oh, my dying trial. I don't know if you can see him, but he is right there. Want to see the cooker there? Tachos. Ew. Alright guys, so this is the layout that we got. We have the big chair there. Oh yes, my dad wants that there, so that's where that's gonna stay. I think it actually looks a little bit nicer. So yes, that's what that looks like so far. I'm gonna organize this again and that when my sister is done, because I don't want to move it and then it plugs out the internet. So I'm gonna fix here and then the table and that table, and then I could fix that after, and then we go to that section. So yeah guys, I am overjoyed right now. So this, I ordered this online. It's supposed to be a shaper or something like so. Let me see if I can put you guys down here so I can see it better. It's supposed to be a shaper, so it fits. So yes, I bought it off of Amazon. I wanted one for to exercise in and sometimes to wear it under my clothes, but this one can't. I don't doubt it will be able to wear in the clothes because of this part. So this part here can go make you wear underneath the clothes, because one thing, it's not as like sucking-ish. I tell mommy or Shanique, I might have to give them this one because Shanique might need this one better than me, because this one it don't suck in as much because it's a little bit big. I bought it in 3X because they said buy it to your size or something. So anyways, I also bought myself a new, what do you call it, laundry bag. It came with 2, but I'm giving, well, she sees it already. I'm giving my sister one for her birthday, so yeah, that's a part of her birthday gift. And then I got some clothes as well. So the first one, they're Shein stuff. I got this Shein clothes. I tried it on. It's out of my shot.
Sorry.
So this one, I I needed some long sleeve blouse, you know, for the Christmas season. So I bought this black one. They're all, you know, black straight blouse, long sleeve, and I got it also in white. And then guys, I needed these things, so I bought them. I bought a pack of 3 biker shorts, or just shorts, whichever one you want to call it. I call it biker shorts, in 3X as well. So yes, that's what they look like. I got a black, a dark gray, and a light gray. Yes, so that's what I got. My other pack, oh yes, and I got a phone case. It's a Christmas phone case that I'll show you guys in another time. You know, I packed it up a while ago, I forgot. So that's what I got, as well as I think I bought a phone case for my sister's birthday as well. She see it too, so because she may pick it out, she pick it out. So alright guys, so it is currently I think 2:10 actually. I paused a while to like fix a video, but I'm back. So this is where I am at. I'm gonna like clean out the chairs. One of the candles melted in the chair and I'm so mad about that. But anyways, this is what we have so far. This is the layout. So I have that area to do, and I want to finish before like probably 4 or 5 because I need to get something else done. Yeah. So that's what I have so far. Put that on. So this hair, we're gonna do some decorating here for the Christmas. But anyways, this is so cute, guys. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And this also lights up, so love that. It is super cute. It looks like a nice little aquarium, but you know, we're not gonna keep that on forever. Yes, and then this table as well we fixed. So pretty much just this area, and then we're done. Alright guys, update time. So it is currently 5 minutes after 4. Lighting. It is currently 5 minutes after 4. But this is the situation. Let me show y'all. So I completed the haul. I think I showed you guys that, I'm not sure, but yes, that's the haul. These are just to clear out like when I fix these, but I have to clean all those. I just finished wiping and cleaning. I'm gonna go in there and straighten, and then put back the fridge where it's supposed to go. Yeah, so that is where we're at. So yeah, that's what's happening. All right guys, it's quite later. Give me a second, I'm going to the good lights. All right guys, so it's quite later. It's done. It took hours, but it's done. So I was trying to clean that, but it's not working out for me. I'm too short. So yes, it's done guys. It's done. It is done. So 2 places clean, guys. 2 places clean. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of today's vlog. I think it should be a long vlog. I cleaned a lot today, but I don't remember if I've vlogged a lot. Yeah, so today's unscramble shout out goes to Life with Tash. She was the first person again to comment the correct unscramble. So the unscramble today was decoration. So congrats, Life with Tash. Shani says she a black you. I don't know why she have BF so strong. She a bad man people. Alright, and then for the emoji game, it's going to be Lavida Jennings again. Yes guys, so the Christmas tree and the little camera thing, it is Christmas movies. Yeah, congrats Lavida Jennings and Life with Tash. For the motivational comments, nobody did that again, guys. If you want the motivational comment or the motivation, you just go ahead. You can do it on Instagram or on Snapchat. If you want to also do it in the comments down below, I will take it there as well. So you can just tag me in your motivational post. I basically just want status, and you know, just tag me. So tag bratzbabygirl on Instagram or baileyshanakay on Snapchat. Yes guys, so for today's emojis it's going to be, let me see who can get this one. Thank you again guys for watching this Vlogmas video. Vlogmas day 3 is over, it's done. So yes, we're coming back tomorrow for Vlogmas day 4. Should be exciting vlogs tomorrow, and for the rest of the weekend should be exciting vlogs. Okay, okay. All right, so thanks again for watching. If you have not as yet, go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Like this video, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.